What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to day 30 of the 30 days of wholesaling houses. Here we are, day 30. For those that have no idea what I'm talking about, I decided for the month of May to do daily videos every single day for the month of May, showing you step by step how to flip and wholesale houses in your city. So if this happens to be the first video that you landed on, do yourself a huge favor, go to the channel, click on the 30 days of wholesaling houses playlist, click on day 1 and start from there so you can get caught up to speed and learn the entire business for free. Now, for those that have no idea who I am, once again, my name is Saenz. I'm a 23-year-old real estate investor, entrepreneur. I live here in Phoenix, Arizona. Started real estate investing at the age of 18, straight from high school, was living out of a trailer park. If you want to see my full story, I have a video on my YouTube channel. However, started at 18. Over the last few years, I flipped and wholesaled a few hundred homes, and I want to show you exactly how I did it because I did it from literally nothing. I had $200 in my bank account, and I want to show you how I did it so you can duplicate your own success in your life. So with that said, today is day 30. Let's dive right into the video. Make sure you like, comment down any question that you have during the duration of this video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get going with day 30. Let's go. Guys, here we are, day 30. Man, this has been a journey. This has been a fun month. I hope you guys are truly taking a lot of information out of this. I've had people already tell me they've got a few deals, already working on, very close closings. And I'm just excited. I'm excited for you guys to truly change your life through wholesaling real estate. A lot of this information, people have sold this in courses. And as you can see, I gave it all for free. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is not the end of me at all. This is not the end of YouTube videos. So I want to make sure that I continue the momentum, provide quality interviews, more content, secrets that I learned throughout the business. And I have just so much more information that I just couldn't put in 30 days. I want to continue putting out during the next few months. But as far as this video, day 30 of the 30 days of wholesaling, kind of sad, but we're going to continue the momentum in a different way. But today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 30-day action plan that you should be doing over the next 30 days. I want to give you guys crystal clear steps and milestones and tasks to do so you can actually get some results and achieve a level of success by flipping and wholesaling houses. Like, I want you guys to make money. I've gone over everything, the entire business over the last 30 days. We went over, what is wholesaling houses, marketing channels, the do nots, virtual versus local wholesaling, bandit signs, direct mail, cold calling, Zillow strategies. I gave it all for free. Okay, we talked about how to talk to sellers, how to build rapport, how to fill out your first purchase agreement, how to find a title company, how to fill out an assignment contract, how to find cash buyers, how to assign your deal, and how to get paid. So what's going to stop you now? You are obviously now educated and informed on the process if you watch all the videos. Now what's going to stop you is your own self, right? You have to put a 30-day action plan in place, measurables and step-by-step tasks and duties that you have to be responsible for so you can achieve success, aka close deals in real estate. So I have 8 steps and it's very simple. Okay, number 1, you have to define your purpose. Look, fact of the matter is motivation is overrated. You have to be committed. You have to be so committed to your purpose, and your purpose is, okay, why are you doing this? Who are you doing this for what, and for who? Like, for who, for what, and why? Like, you have to answer that. Are you doing it for yourself? Are you doing it for your kids? Are you doing it for your family? Are you doing it to break generational curses? Are you doing it because you live at a trailer park and you want better for yourself? That was my case. I wanted to really become someone, and not just for my own selfish desires, but I wanted to help plenty of people, and that's what I'm doing now. But you have to define your purpose. So that's number 1. That's the first thing that's going to continue to push you throughout. Real estate is very, at this point for me, it's very interesting and really fun. But at first it's like kind of boring for some people because there's so many moving parts. But once you click all of them and you do it, it's going to get fun. So make sure that you continue to remember your purpose on why you are doing it so it can push you in those moments of fear, in those moments of, where you're stagnant, and those moments where you're just really stuck. So define your purpose. Number 2, get educated. How do you get educated? Watch all the 30 videos, that I put on this channel. Watch the 30 days of wholesaling houses. That's how you're going to get educated. And not only that, again, for the 30th time, we do have over 50 plus podcast episodes that you can check out. If you start going through all of them, if you watch all 50 and you watch all the 30 days of wholesaling, there's no reason why you couldn't do multiple six figures in your first year of real estate or your second year of real estate. That is how much information we put out for free. So make sure you take advantage of that if you want it bad enough. Number 3, okay, once you get educated, once you learn the process, you understand it, you comprehend it, and you have the knowledge, you're going to begin to look for distressed properties. That is the name of the game. How do you look for distressed properties? You market to sellers. I gave you guys 5+ ways to market. So make sure that you go out and proactively look for distressed properties. Number 4, okay, how do you organize that? How do you go out and look for distressed properties? What I advise is that you choose 1 to 2 marketing strategies that you're going to consistently do every single day. For somebody that has no money or budget, I would drive for dollars, and then I would call Zillow listings. I would do something like that. If you have, $500 or $1,000 to play with, I would buy some bandit signs, and then I would drive for dollars. If you have a few $1,000s to invest, I would buy a list, I would cold call it, and then I would drive for dollars. You see that driving for dollars is the best way to find distressed properties because you're proactively looking and searching, and you're gonna come across, if you get 100 distressed properties driving for dollars, 100 of them, there's going to be a huge chance that one of those 100 leads, one of those 100 distressed properties can be a very good deal. And remember, in wholesaling, our average deal is $20,000. We just closed one today for $35,000. So that is a $35,000 wholesale deal. So you can continuously and effectively do that by just being consistent, by choosing 1 or 2 marketing strategies and staying proactive and consistent. Number 5 thing, look, I know some of you guys have 9-to-5s right now, and that's okay. I had a 9-to-5 when I was trying to learn real estate. However, you have to find a way, whether you have to wake up earlier or sleep later, to work on your business for at least 3 to 4 hours. Now, if you have to work 2 hours a day, just keep that consistency going. But if you want to expedite your results, especially in the next 30 days, make sure that you put 3 to 4 hours aside where you're continuously working on your business, you're cold calling, you're driving for dollars, you're getting educated, you're learning. So anything that has to do with the business, that is what you do during those 3 to 4 hours. This doesn't mean that you're watching one of my YouTube videos and then you're playing, Xbox or Call of Duty, or you're, doing whatever. Make sure that you're focused for 3 to 4 hours a day. Keep that consistency going, and in the next 30 days, you will get results. Number 6, look, this is very simple. Make 5 to 10 offers a day. An offer is going to be a verbal offer. Hey, Mr. Seller, I know you have your property listed for $150. Would there be any chance that you'd consider $110,000 cash? I can close in 7-10 days, blah, 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 right? So you want to make sure that you send out offers, so if you have driving for dollar leads, make sure that you call them, make a verbal offer to the phone. Also, if you're working on Zillow listings, make sure that you're making offers on there. If you're cold calling, just make offers consistently. It doesn't necessarily have to be 5 to 10 a day. But as long as you stay in that range, you're going to get deals. You're going to make money in this business. The best way to put it is for every 100 offers that you make, you're going to get 1 or 2 deals. So race to that 100th offer and you're going to have a very good deal and you're going to get paid in this business. Number 7, this is for those that are starting and are fairly new to wholesaling. I highly recommend that you go on as many appointments as possible. If you find a driving for dollars leads, or you talk to a seller on Zillow, or you send out direct mail, or you cold call, or whatever type of marketing it is, schedule an appointment if the seller can meet. Go on the appointment, practice your people skills, practice your negotiation, give some offers in person, crack that shell that you have, get comfortable, enhance your skills, and just continue having the courage to, be and take on that identity of being a real estate investor. So go to as many appointments as possible, practice, practice, practice. That is the name of the game. You're not going to get better unless you practice and you put yourself in situations where, your courage is going to overcome the fear. So then when the courage overcomes the fear, then you're putting yourself in a situation to win. And if you're putting yourself in a situation to win, you're putting yourself in a situation where you make money. And all of us want to make money in this business. So keep it going, have the courage, go on as many appointments as possible. Number 8 is very simple. Go get your first deal. Go and get your first deal. I gave you all the information that you need. There's no excuses. It was absolutely free. All you had to do was subscribe. And by the way, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. But there's no excuses. So what are you waiting for? You got the education. Now it's just on you. If you have no money, I gave you marketing channels and marketing methods to find seller leads without having to spend money. Craigslist, Zillow, Facebook groups. So referrals. So make sure that whatever excuse is in your mind, get rid of it and go get your first deal. Go make it happen and go change your life. Once you get the first one, you're gonna love the process and you're gonna do it over and over again. You're gonna change your whole life. You're gonna quit your 9-to-5 job. You're gonna be able to provide for your kids, your family, yourself. You're gonna put yourself in a situation where you are alive. And that is the whole name of the game. And that's exactly why I did the 30 days of wholesaling during, to be honest, one of the most challenging lives of my personal life. But I'm still here. I'm pushing. I was committed to you guys every single day this month. Now it's your job, your turn to be committed to the game and to yourself and to me. Let's make it happen. I want to see you guys win. So a few things. Number one, go and make it happen. When you get your first deal, send me a email. Alex@allinnation.com. Alex@allinnation.com. Send me an email with, your first check, your story, and I'll make sure that I respond to everybody that has got a deal and that emailed me. So Alex@allinnation, send me an email. I want to see your success story. I want to see what you had to overcome to get your first deal. And if you stayed to the end of this video, I've had a lot of requests for mentorship. I decided to open up a few spots of mentorship. This is going to be very limited because I definitely want to be able to maximize all the sessions. So it's going to be a few people. If you are interested in one-on-one mentorship where I help you hand by hand scale your business and blow it up to a multiple 6-7 figure, whatever your goal is, I am here to help. So just go to the description and apply. And then over the next few months, I will be doing a bunch of interviews on this channel with highly successful real estate wholesalers. Maybe that can be you. If you go out, you get a few deals, email me and let's do an interview so the rest of the channel can see, because I definitely want to continue to provide information, value, and get you guys just no fluff content where you actually, have implementable stuff where you can start changing your life through real estate. Guys, and by the way, so for those that, I don't think I've mentioned this, very much, but this is our All-In logo. We go by the All-In Entrepreneurs, All-In Nation. So if you're looking for more education, training, we have multiple courses. We also do live events. When COVID clears up, we're gonna announce our next set of events. We do our newbie beginner event, which we've all been there. I've been a newbie. That is our freedom event. That's gonna be sometime late this year. We also do our momentum event. Our momentum event is for anybody that's closed a few deals already and wants to scale their business, get the entire 7-figure blueprint that we've created over the last few years. So if you are interested in momentum or freedom or any courses or any updates, go to allinnation.com and check that out. And then, by the way, we just released our first ever book. It's called The Best Wholesaling Book Ever. It's right there. It is everything that you need to know to start making deals for a very cheap cost. It's so cheap that it's free. All you have to do is go to allinnation.com. It's free. All you have to pay is shipping. allinnation.com. Go check it out. Go grab the book. It's also on Amazon. I think it's like $14, $20. But on allinnation.com, it's free. All you have to do is pay shipping. So go there, check it out. We've already sold 5,000 copies in the last 3 weeks. You will not regret buying this book. We have a lot more information that's going to extremely benefit you and your business. So go check that out. Guys, and that is it. Day 30 of the 30 days of wholesaling houses. Here we are, again, humbled and honored that a lot of you guys stuck with it. Go out, change your life, change the trajectory of your future. Go break generational curses. Go make it happen. You can become whatever you want through this business, and I laid it out all for you guys. So thank you guys. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below on any questions you have. I will be answering as many as I can. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in a few days for more videos. So let's go.